Oh my god, I need to sneeze. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be unboxing SilviaMBeauty new Kiwi Seed Booster supplements. So I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about the new Kiwi Seed Booster supplements and just let you guys know why I ended up buying these supplements and why I'm interested in them. I'm also doing this video because this is going to be the first day that I start the 30 days of taking the Kiwi Seed Booster. So I wanted to, unbox this video with you guys. And then I will do an updated video probably 2 weeks from taking the supplement to see if I see any differences. And then I'll do another video after I finish the bottle to see if there's any like significant differences and to see if I would buy it again. I did not buy the first supplements that she came out with because I just didn't feel like I needed a supplement that was geared towards hair and nails. So when she came out with this product, it was geared towards just skin, and that's why I was really interested in it, because I'm somebody who struggles with my skin. I mean, not all of us have perfect skin, but I do try to take care of my skin a lot. I have came a long way with my skin, and you guys here on my channel know about that and my struggle with acne scarring, large pores, and all of that. When this came out, I was so excited. So I only ordered one bottle, and it's a 30-day supply. So I actually have not looked at the bottle. Oh my god, so cute. This is how the box looks on the inside. I love the presentation of this. If you order more than one, they put one right here and another one right here. I don't know what happens if you order more than 3. I like that they have a space to put 3 bottles in here and how they place the bottle in there to hold it, and it's just looks so nice. So this is the bottle of the Kiwi Seed Booster. It is plastic. I do kind of wish that it was glass because I prefer having my supplements from a glass bottle. On the top you have XO Tati, which is like her signature. It's really cute. And then you have all of your supplement facts right here listed on the back of the bottle. It says gluten-free, soy-free, sugar-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. These are not organic. Looking at the ingredients for this, there aren't any artificial colors. They're also gluten-free, soy-free, sugar-free, cruelty-free. So it has most of the things that I looked for in a supplement, except that it's just not organic. On the front of the bottle it says clear glowing skin, Kiwi Seed Booster, intensely nourishing, minimizes fine lines and wrinkles, supports collagen and keratin production, supports clear and radiant complexion. I'm 29 years old. I'm gonna be 30 in January. So I'm at a time in my life where skincare is becoming more important for me, and I am starting to see fine lines and things like that. So I am doing things to combat my fine lines and skin damage and things like that. So I do buy more skincare products now than I did in the past. Of course I want a radiant complexion. Like, who doesn't want that? I mean, come on. So also, I'm not wearing any makeup today, just so you guys can see how my skin looks right now. The first day that I start on this product, I do have moisturizer, sunscreen, my serums on. I did do my eyebrows because, girl, I'm not gonna come on here without my brows done if it's not necessary, because I had to do something. So I do have my eyebrows done, but everything else I'm not wearing any makeup. So I really want you guys to see I do have discoloration. I do have uneven skin tone. I do have like breakouts and really large pores. I have really congested skin. I have to go and get facials done every month because my skin is so congested. I have actually not gotten a facial in like several months, and I really want one already because I can feel that my skin and my pores are really getting clogged up and congested. But thank God I haven't really had too many bad breakouts, and that's because I am trying to keep everything else on my skincare consistent. So consistency is really important. So the Kiwi Seed Booster is $29.95. I did get a confirmation email right away once I ordered it, and then I got another email once it was shipped out, and then I got another email when it was delivered. So I really love the communication that the company has with you. So I think that's really great. It didn't take very long for me to get the Kiwi Seed Booster. It took like maybe less than 2 weeks for me to receive the package. Their shipping is pretty quick. I am in the US, so I don't know how the shipping charges are internationally. In the US, I paid around $5 for shipping. Okay, so online it says also you get free shipping in the US on orders of 3 bottles or more, which is great because there are certain websites that don't provide free shipping. It doesn't matter the amount, like KKW Beauty. Anyways, so it also says that it supports a natural moisture barrier for firm, hydrated, and rejuvenated skin, inhibits bacteria, balances pH, and renews skin. They do have a disclaimer saying these statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease, which is pretty standard for any supplements, even when you're taking like pre-workouts or protein powder, things like that. Like in the fitness industry, there's so many supplements. None of those supplements are evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration, so you really have to pay attention to what the ingredients are in those products, because a lot of those are marketed as, oh my god, these are gonna change your life, but you really have to look at the ingredients and see if they are harmful for you or not, especially artificial colors and flavors and things like that. You just have to really be careful with supplements because they are not regulated by the FDA. So yeah, that's pretty much what it says online. There's actually a section for ingredients and FAQs. The ingredients page does have more information on each of the ingredients. I will link her website down below, but reading the ingredients list here, you get vitamin D3, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, zinc, rosehip powder extract, bromelain extract, methyl sulfonylmethane, MSM, which I have no idea what the hell that is and I can't even pronounce it, Emblica officinalis, which is gooseberry extract, grapeseed extract, quercetin, ceramide RX, Kiwi RX, which is the kiwi seed extract, which it has 20 milligrams, very small amount on the kiwi extract compared to the other ingredients. It's like one of the lower amounts that they put in the formula. And then the last one is astaxanthin, so that one is 4 milligrams. So the other ingredients are microcrystalline cellulose, vegetable capsule, silicone dioxide, vegetable magnesium stearate. So nothing alarming that I really see in the ingredients. Alright, so let me just talk to you guys a little bit about Kiwi, because that's the main reason why I bought this supplement. So Kiwi is super high in vitamin C, which has more than an orange. And vitamin C, it's a really important vitamin that helps with our bodies and our health. It helps a lot with anti-aging. It's also really good for anti-inflammation. A lot of us have inflammation in our bodies and we don't even know about it. Vitamins and antioxidants that fruits have help a lot with inflammation in the body. I know this because I used to have inflammation in my body. Once I switched over to a mostly plant-based diet, my inflammation decreased immensely and my acne as well. I give a lot of credit to fruits and foods with antioxidants and vitamins for helping me with my skin and clearing up my acne, and I am gonna do a full dedicated video as to how I cleared up my acne, just to let you guys know my journey on that. I know I've been saying this for a while, but I will be doing a fully dedicated video on that and to show you guys my before and after. Kiwi is just a really amazing fruit. It also helps with DNA repair, which in turn helps with anti-aging. As you become older and you are aging, you are doing DNA damage. So that's how people age. If you can take things and eat foods and fruits that help with DNA repair, then you're gonna slow down the aging process of your body and prevent age-related diseases such as cancer and things like that. Really cool stuff. I don't know why, I'm just so like passionate about those things and they really interest me. This is a supplement. I do think that eating these foods and fruits is a better way of getting your vitamins, but nowadays, like in Tati's video, she said that our soil is not the same as it used to be. Our foods doesn't have the same vitamins and nutrition power as it used to be. The soil has really just diminished. A lot of us are very deficient in a lot of these vitamins. Also, not a lot of us incorporate these things in our diet. I actually wish I ate more kiwi every day, but I don't eat kiwi every day. I wish I was just one of those people that were just really disciplined and would do it, and if I could eat a kiwi every day, that should be like your goal, because it has so many vitamins, it has so many benefits for your body. So yeah, that is my explanation on kiwi. If I had came out with a skincare product and I had already thought about this, I wanted to incorporate kiwi in it somehow. If it was a cream, a serum, whatever, I wanted to incorporate kiwi in it. I just love when companies incorporate nature and natural things in their products. Nature and natural foods are the most powerful. I'm gonna go ahead and take the supplement now. So you just twist it out. It does come with this seal right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. So you take it off. It does come with a little pack that's supposed to absorb humidity or odor, so I'm just gonna take that out. And oh my god, it does not smell good. It does smell like a freaking vitamin, like, you know, those vitamins that they kind of stink. It doesn't smell the greatest, so I suggest you probably should not put your nose in here and smell the vitamins. So you're supposed to take 1 capsule every day, 30 servings per container. If you don't want to take the capsule, you can take it apart, put it in water with lemon or whatever, and just drink the cup of water like that. I don't mind just taking a pill, so I'm just gonna grab my water and take it right now. So that wasn't bad. The capsule is pretty small. It's not like one of those huge capsules. Any capsule bigger than this is gonna be pretty hard for me to swallow. Cannot wait to see what the results are in 30 days. I'm also gonna be taking before and after pictures. And no, this video is not sponsored. I bought these myself. I know a lot of people are talking about sponsored videos and how people don't disclose their sponsored videos. I have not done a sponsored video on my channel ever. There are a couple videos where products were sent to me, but I did let you guys know. I will always disclose if there is any video that is sponsored on my YouTube channel, because I don't think that it's right for people to not disclose that information. The people who are watching should know that information. I will always be 100% honest with you guys, and I've always been on this channel. YouTube is not my job. I have a full-time job. YouTube is just something that I really love to do because I get to help you guys out. This channel is to help you guys. It's not necessarily for me and myself. I just want to thank you guys so much for all of your support, and make sure you subscribe so you guys are updated on whenever I upload a new video on the Halo Beauty Kiwi Seed Booster. Make sure you turn on the notification bell. Let me know in the comment section if you are planning to purchase the Kiwi Seed Booster. Did you try her other formula that she came out prior to this supplement, the pink bottle one? If you are taking the Kiwi Seed Booster, let me know if you've already seen changes in your skin. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was informative for you guys. I have Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat, and everything is at SilviaMBeauty. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!